after so many months, later on, para bang niluto muna yung kwento bago sila lumabas. That's the first. Ang second yan, sorry pero lumalabas yung Mike Defensor. You know, you're not an ordinary person. Hindi ka naman simpleng mamamayan lang kong Mike. You were once a very powerful cabinet secretary, the right-hand man, one of the closest to GMA, if I may say so, no? Pagkatapos, lalabas si General Esperon, another one of GMA's very close military personnel. He was, in fact, the top military person at the time. So, parang lumalabas nga, there are people behind the 18. If these big names will not back them up, baka naman hindi lumabas sa publiko ito. I mean, Levi Baligod cannot